much.
What is it?
I hope it dies. Show your sister, Casey.
It's a millipede.
Ew.
Casey, show your sister.
Definitely
Casey,
not a
you're so
worm.
weird. Just say hi. Now what do you got, Casey?
Crawfish. Oh, it's missing. It's two big pinchers. Wait, let me see.
Ooh, he's got a snake.
Grab his top so he doesn't try.
Now this kid caught a wolf spider. Make it move a little bit. Whoa. What, Carter?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna walk?
I want Avery and Cozy.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, Cam.
I know, it's crazy. They brought this stuff in my house.
It's not technically in your house.